Hi everyone, today we are going to learn about vesting and tenancy of property. First we will see about what is meant by vesting. The vesting is current owner status and manner of the property ownership. Before transferring the property we need to verify the chain of title. What is meant by chain of title? Chronological way to transfer the property from one person to another person. Then we'll see what are the different ways of acquiring title is there. First one is severalty or sole and separate property, which means one and only person is owner of the real property in case of after marriage also. Sole ownership may be described as ownership by an individual or other entity capable of acquiring title. Second one is co-ownership. Co-ownership is a kind of ownership where the ownership of the whole property is divided between two or more individuals. We have three types in co-ownership. That and all. First one is joint tenancy. Second one is tenancy in common. Third one is community property. We will see about one by one. First one is joint tenancy. Joint tenancy is interest in real property that is owned by two or more persons, having equal interest in the property created by a single will or transfer. Expressly declared to be a joint tenancy and having rights of survivorship. Exception case if the interest of one of the joint tenant in the property can be transferred to other parties in the event of his death, through a will which is created with the consent of the other joint tenants. Rights of survivorship means if any of the joint tenants dies, then automatically the interest of the deceased is shared equally between the surviving joint tenants. The title is vested in the remaining joint tenants by recording of an affidavit of death of joint tenant. Then we will see about tenancy in common. It is an interest in real property that is owned by two or more persons. May or may not have equal interest. Created through different wills or transfer. Having no rights of survivorship. And consent of other co-owners is not required for any modification. Third one is community property. It will happen between husband and wife. It is also called as marital property. Each spouse owns one half of the property, but neither one spouse may enter into any form of agreement to sell or mortgage the property without the other spouse's consent. As well as tenant by entirety, also same concept like a community property. Next let us discuss about other ways of acquiring title. First one is corporation. A corporation is a legal entity created under state law, consisting of one or more shareholders, but regarded under law as having an existence and personality separate from such shareholders. A corporation may hold title to real property in the name of corporation. Next one is partnership. A partnership is an association of two or more persons who can carry on business for profit as co-owners. A partnership may hold title to real property in the name of partnership. And the last one is trust. A legal entity created by a grantor for the benefit of designated beneficiaries. The trustee holds a fiduciary responsibility to manage the trust's assets and income for the benefit of all beneficiaries. Okay everyone, as of now we have learnt about vesting and different ways of acquiring title on tenancy of property on this video. We will learn about encumbrance and its types on next video. Please subscribe and please do support to my channel to learn about U.S. mortgage title search process. Thank you everyone. Bye. Have a great day.